Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Ranch Recipe, we're going to cook garlic and pepper pork belly.
Wow, it's perfect. What do you think?
I'm going to show you two ways to cook this dish. One is the original one that I learned how to cook this one by stir fry in a pan and put all of the ingredients in there. And the second way is cook it by an air fryer. This way is easier, faster. However, I let you choose which way you want to cook. Enjoy!
First, meat preparation. We need 1 pound of pork belly, cut into 1-inch cubes. Marinate our pork with garlic, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, pepper, and baking soda. Mix it well together and leave it about 15 minutes. Method 1. Cooking by an air fryer. It is very easy, simple, and no splashing oil. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Take it out, flip it over, and air fry another 3 minutes. Wow, it's perfect. It's a little bit crispy outside, but inside is still tender. Method 2. Pan fry pork belly. At medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Fry it about 6 to 8 minutes. Flip it every 2 minutes. You need to be patient on this one. If you use the high heat, your pork gonna be burned and inside not gonna be cooked. You can use tongue or spatula to flip it over. Be careful of the splashing oil. I use a splatter screen to protect myself. For the last 2 minutes, or when I see that the pork is cooked, increase to high heat so that the pork will be browned and crispy. I'm keeping this oil for stir-fry vegetable later. It is very flavorful. It's done. Now time to plate it like a pro. Let's eat.
That's it for the episode of Ranch Recipe, garlic and pepper pork belly. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and please let me know what would you like me to cook next. Bye!